guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you a few new workbooks that I have picked up recently. First I will start with this Evan Moor book. So this is Evan Moor for grades 2 to 4, and this is paragraph writing, and it is correlated to current standards. It says that there are guided lessons, narrative, descriptive, how-to, and compare and contrast paragraph forms, supports 6-trait writing and writing center. All right, so here's the table of contents. So you have part 1, parts of a paragraph, paragraph forms, narrative paragraphs, descriptive paragraphs, directions paragraphs, compare and contrast paragraphs. Then part 3, you have planning paragraphs using a web. Part 4 is planning paragraphs using an outline. Part 5 is paragraph writing center. And part 6 is paragraph writing across the curriculum. So it goes from the very, very basic parts of a paragraph all the way to writing a full paragraph. So it takes it step by step. It's a slower process. It's not just jumping into writing a full paragraph. So in here it says, what's inside? Paragraph writing provides multiple ways for your students to hone their paragraph writing skills. A wealth of activities on varied difficulty levels allows all students to experience success. So goes over again what the parts of this book are. And then there is trait-based writing. Says paragraph writing fits perfectly if you're using trait-based writing. When your students use this book, they develop these skills. And then it goes through the different types of ideas, conventions, voice, organization, word choice, and sentence fluency. You have a checklist for their skills. And then you have this preparing a paragraph checklist. And so here's part 1, what parts of a paragraph. So what is the paragraph? Topic, sentences, additional ideas. And this is the stuff that you would use as the teacher. So what's the big idea? So here's an example. So here, sorry about bumping I didn't mean to bump the camera. So this would be for the student. So you would copy this and cut that part out, and they would have to underline the topic sentence in these paragraphs. What I plan on doing with this is using it in a notebook form. So I will copy this and cut it out and post it in a notebook for my 3rd grader. This one's kind of the same thing. Find the topic sentence. So they're reading and they're finding the topic sentence. Then they're going to figure out what the topic sentence would be. So they would be given a list of description, and they would have to figure out topic sentence, best topic sentence, how to write a topic sentence. So you kind of get the idea of how it goes a little bit at a time. So then you've got writing supporting details, different paragraph forms. And you can see, so they have like a template for a paragraph here. You fill it in, and then they have the student write their own paragraph. So it gets them thinking about, obviously, the parts of a paragraph, but also descriptive words. And I really need this for my son because when he writes, it's very to the point. There's very little description because he just wants to get it done. And so I'm trying to kind of broaden his horizon on that. So here are webs that they would use for writing a paragraph, subjects. So here's the outlines, and here is writing your paragraph. And then here's a paragraph writing center. So you could create this little paragraph writing center as a teacher. And here's different things to use with that. And then paragraph writing across the curriculum, science, social studies, and math. So, yeah, there you go. So So obviously Evan Moor has tons and tons of books that you can use as resources. Down here, it has Write a Super Sentence. And then over here we have Writing Fabulous Sentences and Paragraphs. So this one's 4 to 6. This is grades 1 to 3. And this is grades 2 to 4. So this is kind of in the middle. So we've got sentences down. Now he's into writing the paragraph. And then you would move up to a little bit more difficult material. So that's that book. And I picked this up off of Amazon. Excuse me. The next things I picked up were from Lakeshore, and I was really excited to see these. These are for my kindergartner. So I have, this one's on phonemic awareness, alphabet, and addition. And what these are dot and learn journals. So that means he won't be using a pencil to complete the worksheets. He uses his dot markers. So this is what... You can see that. This is what a dot marker looks like. You can, on Lakeshore, you can actually buy the books with the dot markers, but we have tons of them, so we didn't need any more. But so in this one, it would be, you have 3 pairs plus 4 pairs. What does that equal? And then they would just dot the answer. So it's a little bit different. I mean, they're still working. They're still doing math and language arts and whatever it is you're focused on in each notebook. But it's in a different way. It's kind of like how instead of just writing your spelling words pencil to paper, you might use shaving cream or Play-Doh or tiles. You know, it's something different. And it kind of changes things up a little bit each day. And my kids love dot markers. My older 2 are mad. They're like, why don't we have notebooks that have dot markers? And obviously because they don't make them for older kids. But yeah, so this is the addition one. So you can see there's like combinations of 10, you know, more combinations of 10 within the basket, making 10. So it goes through, because up there it's making 10. So then you've got how many more, adding to 10, count and add, adding numbers. And so all of this is not... too advanced for him. This is actually stuff that he will probably do really easily, but I thought this would be good review for him. So this is the alphabet one, correct? Yes, the alphabet one. So this is pretty easy. They're just matching letters, you know, find the W's, and then you do all of them blue. Find the letter that comes next. So it's just kind of helping with his alphabet, because sometimes he gets a little mixed up on a few of the letters, so I thought this would be good reinforcement for that. It's a little maze. Hidden pictures. There's a bunch of hidden pictures in the back. So that's the alphabet one, and then the phonemic awareness one, the Dot and Learn journal, is just kind of what it is, or what you think, or what it says. It's just about phonics. So find the picture with the same beginning sound as the first. So horse, you know, obviously it would be hat, because the beginning sound is H. So match the beginning sounds. Let's see. Rhyming maze. Find the rhyme. Count the syllables. Match the ending sound. Match the middle sound. So that's what that one looks like. I'm going to show you the back here. Oh, never mind. I was going to show you the back because I thought it was other books, but these are just the pages that are in the actual book. So, like I said, these came directly from Lakeshore. I tried to find them on Amazon and I could not. I know some things you just can't find on Amazon, which is sad. Because I buy everything on Amazon. But anyway, I'm really excited to start these dot notebooks. We're on a break this week because we're actually going camping tomorrow. But yeah, these are a few things that I've picked up recently to help us out to change things up a little bit and reinforce others. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments or anything, just leave them in the box below. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.